Today we're gonna be trying to model a a bathroom sink. So using component model and component place a component model in place command. So okay, first we need to create extrusion of the shape of the sink. So we're just gonna go ahead and click component model in place and then pick generic models. Generic models too. Okay, just name it whatever you want. So first we are gonna have to create a void extrusion because okay, as we see right here, this is what we're trying to make. So it has like ellipse kind of shape right over here, and it sweep blends going up the top right here. So we cannot create that in void extrusion. Sorry for the cups. Because void extrusion just extrudes a one shape going up. So it's basically like a square. It's an ellipse, but it just goes straight up without a radius like this one right here. Lines over here. So we're gonna be using swap blend. So first, okay, create swap blend. Here we go. So before making this, guys, we will need to have is we need to sketch a path. So we need to sketch a path vertically. So at the moment we are in top view. So you cannot create a vertical line in top view. So we have to have a section right here. You need to have a section. So let's go ahead and sketch a path. We need to pick a plane, pick this one so we can sketch vertically. Pick the middle point going up. So depending on the height of the sink, let's just go ahead and do 50. Let's do 50. And then click OK. And then now we will need to select profile 1. This is profile 1 right here and profile 2. So profile 1 is the top one and profile 2 is the bottom, if I remember correctly. So select profile 1, this one, edit that profile, open in floor plan level 0 because that is where we can see it. Boom. So it's right here. So now we need to create an ellipse. We need to create an ellipse. So let's just say like around 30, just like that. Hit OK. And then we need to go back to section 1. And now we need to select profile 2, which is this one. And then we need to edit that profile and open again in floor plan level 0. So as you can see, now we have this ellipse right here. And then this current ellipse that we're gonna be making is gonna extrude going here. Okay, so let's just create that. This 20 is okay. 20, 20, 20, or maybe 15. I think 20 is good. Okay, 0. Hit OK. Finish drawing model. And then finish edit mode. Now when you go to 3D, you have a little sink somehow. Oh, there it is. So there you go. You have a sink. The problem is we need to create the depths or like the opening thing or of the sink. This one right here. Opening. So how you can create the opening is we can create that using void 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 extrusion. Same process. Hit the ellipse, midpoint, boom, boom. Okay, hit okay. Go realistic. And there you go, we have that. Okay, okay. Just pull this thing all the way down. Depending, okay, wait. Pull this all the way down. And there you go. You guys have the opening right there.